If you encounter billing errors on Riverside FM, it's important to address them quickly to ensure your account remains in good standing. Follow these steps to resolve any issues efficiently. Step 1. Review your billing statement. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your account number, payment method, and any previous correspondence regarding the billing issue. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Riverside FM's customer support through their official website or help center. Provide them with the details of the billing error and any information you gathered. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of your communications, including dates and names of representatives you spoke with. Step 5. Monitor your account. After the issue has been reported, monitor your account for updates or corrections. Ensure that any agreed upon changes are reflected in your billing statement. By following these steps, you can quickly resolve any billing errors on Riverside FM and continue using the service without interruption.